That song came up a lot on our playlist as well, so I'm going to explain why that expression came into place. And there are a couple of things you need to remember. Number one, there are many different speech styles in Korean. After learning the Korean alphabet, you should really be looking into all the different speech styles, which I have summarized on my Instagram posts. But at any rate, the most frequently used one for K-pop songs and K-drama is a casual speech style, where you're using it to talk to your friends or somebody younger than you, or you could also use it to talk to yourself. Number two, to most Koreans nowadays, these two vowels sound almost identical. They're the same, practically speaking. So if you want to know the subtleties and how to make these distinctions, you can check out my cards. And here's where things get a little complicated. So, 나 is a pronoun I in Korean, and when it's combined with the subject particle 가, it changes to 내가. 너 is a pronoun that means you, and when it's combined with the subject particle 가, it changes to 내가 again, right? But different spelling, but exact same pronunciations to most Koreans nowadays. So what happens if I say something like 나는 내가 좋아? Does that mean I like myself or I like you? Because instead of 좋아해요 to be the like as a verb, I can use 좋아요 or 좋아 in casual style as long as I am the subject of the sentence. These two can be interchangeable. So pronouns are often dropped in Korean, right? But in settings like the K-pop songs, K-drama with casual style, you tend to say you a lot as if you're talking to your friend. So this is where things get a bit confusing with statements like what I just gave you now. So in order to avoid these confusions, they started inserting the word 네가, right? So where did 네가 come from? So to avoid these confusions, they started using, instead of the standard 내가, they are using the variation, the dialect that came in 경상도, 충청도 area. There are many other regions that you're using it, so I have a list right here, and that variation is 네가, right? So if you're learning Korean, definitely try to get the feel for each speech style and know when to use which one, and like and follow for more Korean language and culture tips.